This is the final day of this 5-day van life road trip. Today, Rose and myself will be visiting a rarely discussed historic castle, the highest single drop waterfall in England, and Aysgarth Falls, a beautifully scenic location, just so peaceful and serene, a fantastic place to end the trip. Morning everybody, so we have reached the first destination on our drive home. This is Sizergh Castle, or Sizergh Stately Home, or Sizergh Manor House, whichever you want to call it. But yeah, Sizergh Castle, which is a medieval manor house, and has been home of the Strickland family for over 700 years now. Actually, sorry, I think I pronounced that wrong. Welcome everybody to Sizergh Castle. So yeah, as I say, it is a manor house that the Strickland family have lived in for over 700 years. I believe since 1259. Well, incredible condition. I don't know when this was last renovated. You can clearly see there's had a lot of recent work done on this. Stunning detail.
Right, I found it. The door to Narnia. I reckon if you go through there, you come out in Narnia. Little window, that's cute. I think it's up there, look. Oh, you might come back a bit. Think up on that top there. We are in the linen fold room. It's where they fold the linen.
Apparently this is the linen fold room. This is where you came to fold linen. I've stayed in hotels far less lavish than this room that they folded linen in. Look at this, guys. The linen fold room. I mean,
Fireplace.
Yeah.
Electric heater.
But look at that for a massive fireplace. Just so you can come in here and fold the linen. And these walls, like the details, just mind-blowing.
Yeah, look at the view as well.
Not a bad view on a rainy day while folding your linen. The room takes its name from the finely carved all-over mantle, the centre of which bears the royal arms of Queen Elizabeth I. That must be... Oh yeah, here. I hope you can see it, guys. I'll brighten it up a bit on the video. Well, that is the coat of arms over the stunning fireplace of the Queen Elizabeth I coat of arms. Don't make them like that anymore. I can't get over it. Like every one of these rooms down have got these over mantle designs and coats of arms and stuff. It's just... I don't even know whether they carved these individually and they were layered on top, or was this carved? Can't have been carved out. These must be carved individually and placed in it, right? So England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, all steeped in history, and there are many castles and manor houses and ancient buildings and historical buildings and landmarks you can explore and see. As a child, my parents used to take me around lots of these places, and there are some amazing places to see. But this one, actually, Sizergh Castle, Sizergh Castle, one of the most amazing that I've honestly been to. And, you know, a lot of these places, there will be historical artefacts brought in from around the country or countries of the United Kingdom and put on display. Everything here is original from this building and from the family's history, and it's just incredible. It really is steeped in history. So
Craftsmanship.
Yeah, and the craftsmanship is just out of this world. The guide was telling us that just those ornate overmantel pieces that I was fixated on while going round. They would take around a year to complete just one of those, and they would get the craftsmen, I believe for those overmantels is generally Italian craftsmen, and they would put them up in food and lodgings for like a year just to work on creating one of those overmantels. It just blows the mind just thinking about it. So if you're in the Kendal area, this is only a few miles outside of Kendal, come and give it a go. Just stunning. Now back to tourist shopping.
£12 for the hand wash.
£12 for a hand wash seems perfectly reasonable to me.
But it smells really nice.
If you like it, buy it.
But I was going to get some chutney.
We'll get both. How often do we have a 5-day trip around the Lake District and etc. Cheeseboard chutney and World Heritage hand wash. Why not?
Why not?
Makes a bit more sense than an overpriced trowel and a duck.
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go anywhere you wanna go.
So Rose and I wanted to give you a bit of a taste of a Yorkshire Dales, and for me personally, nothing says the Yorkshire Dales any more than Falls, Hardraw Falls and Aysgarth Falls. So currently we are at Hardraw Force or Hardraw Scar, whichever you want to call it. It's quite an interesting setup. There's actually a cafe that you go through to get to it because it is actually on privately owned land. So there is a fee to get through. It's only £4 each. Not too bad really. It's definitely worth it. It's one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the county. I think one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the country. So see what you guys think. So this is the walk to Hardraw Scar. I don't know if you can hear this already, guys. Oh my god, last time I came here I was like 11, 12 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Hardraw Force. One of my favourite all-time waterfalls. I use the mic for this bit because otherwise it's probably going to drown me out. But wow, the force and power of that falls is just stunning. Ooh, that's slippy. Now they do say don't go around the back, but this gentleman and myself, we remember doing it as a kid, so yeah, we got to. How can you not go see that from the back, eh? Now it is a little slippery and rather noisy. Oh my god, look at that. Just the force of the spray. Woo-wee. Oh, and it's definitely very wet. Oh my word. Just the force of the spray. Woo-wee! Look at this, guys. Oh, that is just incredible. This is what I remember of Yorkshire. Lush green fields, rocky mountains and cliffs, vast rivers and waterfalls. My dad, who was a born and bred Yorkshireman, born in Sheffield, always says Yorkshire was England's garden. And I've got to say, yeah, I agree with him. Whoa, slippy. Oh, the raw power and beauty of nature, eh? Ah, look at the force of that, guys. Just beautiful. Oh, I've been looking at the whole trip. That's one of the things I've been looking forward to seeing the most. Time to concentrate now and try and get down these wet steps. So everybody, it is the last destination of this 5-day trip. A little bit sad to say, but at the same point I'm quite excited as well. For me, we've saved the best to last, because Aysgarth Falls here, which we're about to see, well actually we're only going to see the upper falls. There is a middle and a lower falls. You want to allow about another 45 minutes or so, maybe even an hour, to go the opposite direction to see the middle and lower falls.
Look at this. This is pretty cool. Nice little lookout point. Awesome. Look at this. Wow.  1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 Wow. Faster than I remember. I seem to remember crossing it. Maybe it wasn't this that I crossed. What a beautiful place. Nice for a picnic. Oh wow, yeah, let's go through here. Push Pete in, cold water dip. Looks deep enough. Quite fast. Hello ducks. Oh, we can go further. Pretty cool place, right? Goes on for ages. And now we go back and see if we can find Pete.
Okay then guys, that's it. That is the last part of this road trip. What an amazing place to finish on. I'm a little bit gutted. I don't think I'm going to get any drone shots for you on this. I was hoping to finish off with a drone shot of the falls. But I have a new amazing phone that's all waterproof and everything, and it looks like the lead doesn't connect into my phone properly when I use it to control the drone. So anyway, I will leave you with one last look at the falls. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, much love, and as always, Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.